Did it cut off? No, he doesn't have a stick shift, so this is even funnier. You can do it.
Bro, floor that bitch.
Let him know. Horsepower.
There you go.
There you go.
Never get it somewhere.
Well, guys, as you can see, the garage is all kinds of jacked up. But, ooh, short, all this stuff. Goodness, we speeding. Goodness. Basically, all this stuff is gonna have to be cleaned so we can actually have some more room. I'm not moving those diffs, but all of this is about to be cleaned up.
Everything's more organized and straightened. More shelving up. I'm sure y'all already know. Check out our detail page. Sick detail.
Last time y'all saw this E36, the front windshield was cracked. It was in horrible shape, long story short. As you can see, that's not the case anymore. This paint is called Nightshade Red. I'm sure you can see the difference of how we need to actually add a few more gallons of, or at least one more gallon of paint. Not only just a new front windshield, but a new bumper too. Need to get side skirts for this, front grille inserts, interior door panels. I'll show you a before picture. We made up our own custom door panels. Most of the wires are tucked now. Obviously need to clean this up a little bit more. Still some wires left, but the speakers work now. All of the speakers work. Bluetooth radio works. We have back seats now. These were originally really light gray, and the side panels were the same tan as the front, but painted all of these and the back pieces up. Still getting there. Plans for the future really are just the side skirt, finish the whole car one solid color of paint, front bumper. But the car's come a long way. Couple little things left. If you don't know exactly what year, make, and model this is, and this is the first time checking in on the channel, it's a 1997 328 IS 5-speed, welded diff, coilovers, the usuals that you have on the E36 if you're planning to track it or drive around really spirited or race every once in a while. Fun little car. And then now it's off to P's car.
Here's a 1996 BMW 328i. It's the 4-door, 5-speed. As you can see, it's in pretty rough condition. Currently doesn't run, but I plan on getting it running. But the game plan is today, getting it all cleaned up, interior cleaned up. As far as interior, you can see that it's dirty, it needs to be cleaned up. We got all these parts that needs to be sorted and gone through. And that's really about it for today's game plan.
So basically, we just gonna clean this up. Whoa, Russ, excuse me. Skirt. Don't. Crash course. Game plan today is just clean this up, see what we got going on here. Couple little things on the coupe.
A little spit shine. Said clean it up.
Game plan with this P?
Make it a clean daily, clean fun daily. Don't want to go extreme. Don't really have the budget for that. Probably get some new coilovers for it. Different wheels, and that'll be it. Low and slow.
Low and slow. So